children, and now to fill this occasion with innocence and charm, our little angel is ready to mesmerize us. Let us warmly invite dear little M. Dhanpati to deliver a speech.
Here I am Dhanpati and I am proud to be a part of Vivekananda Metric High Secondary School. Today I am going to welcome you for the Convocation Day. I welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Correspondent Sir, Principal Sir, Secretary Ma'am, Devo sir, my dear parents, my dear teachers and friends, today is a special day to all of us. We are graduating from UKG. I want to say big thank you to our wonderful teachers for teaching us new things, playing with us and making school so much fun. You made learning new words, numbers and drawing so easy, exciting. My dear friends, played games, sang songs, danced and learned together. We had so much fun. Now ready for grade 1. Congratulations to all my friends. Let's grow to grade 1 and have more adventures. Let's grow together. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Dhanpati, for your fruitful